In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a moody, cinematic black and white AI portrait with ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and creative way to turn an ordinary photo into a dramatic, high-contrast portrait with a professional black and white look. If you create content, want a stylish profile picture, or just enjoy AI photo editing, this method is going to save you time and give you impressive results. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Now, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or on your device. Once it loads, look for the plus icon in the message box. That plus button is what you'll use to upload your image. Click on it, then choose Add Image and select the portrait photo you want to transform. Make sure you pick a clear image with a face visible, because that usually gives the best result when creating an AI portrait style edit. After your image is uploaded, go to the description or prompt text that you've prepared. Paste the prompt from the description into ChatGPT. This prompt should tell ChatGPT exactly what kind of effect you want, including the moody lighting, cinematic mood, black and white tones, and portrait style. Once the prompt is pasted, run it and let ChatGPT generate the result. Depending on the workflow you're using, it may help create or refine the image style based on your instructions. After the process finishes, review the output and see if it matches the look you wanted. If needed, you can adjust the prompt slightly and try again for a darker, more dramatic, or more elegant finish. The goal is to create that cinematic black and white look with strong emotion, depth, and a professional portrait feel. That's really all there is to it. Open ChatGPT, click the plus icon, add your image, paste the prompt from the description, and run it. In just a moment, you can create a moody black and white AI portrait that looks stylish and cinematic. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.